This is Village Auto's 2016 Ford Taurus Limited 4-door sedan. Absolutely gorgeous one-owner locally owned vehicle. You have the rear defrost, rear backup camera, rear park assist, dual exhaust, premium alloy wheels. Very sharp, well-maintained car. This one does come equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 motor along with the automatic transmission. Incredible deal for only $17,610. Let's get inside here for you. In the limited package, this one has a full leather interior, exceptionally clean as you can see. You have the keyless keypad entry, full power options, power driver's side seat with memory, power passenger seat, the full touchscreen audio system with the navigation, Bluetooth, USB, and auxiliary inputs, dual automatic climate control. You also have heated and cooled front leather seats, steering wheel audio controls along with cruise and info controls. This one has only 37,000 miles. Very clean, very well maintained one owner car that runs and drives out perfect. Stop on down at Village Auto, bring this very nice 2016 Ford Taurus Limited home with you today.